through a road crossing at Vomary Wash, Sunday, July 13th. That is the first overbank flow. Now we're coming around the curve here, approaching the gauge. There's a lot of water out on the floodplain all over the place. Yes, we definitely have some really high flow here today. Okay, approaching the bridge. And this is the Vomary Bridge culverts here. Looking downstream, there's more overbank flow upstreams there. And then there's the flow over the top of the culverts right here. This is a pretty high stage. This is the highest I've seen it. Due to depths too excessive to wade flowing through the culverts, the 8-foot wading rod and a current meter are used to measure the culvert sections from the upstream side. An acoustic velocity meter on a standard 4-foot rod will be used to measure the overroad flow. This is Vomary. We are east of the gauge. This is a third road crossing that's flowing over. Lots of water out in the floodplain, but there are islands between here and the gauge. Approaching the culverts. There's a culvert, another one that's adding to the flow, and here's some additional road crossing flow too. Looks like the highest flow I've seen here since I've been in the Tucson sector. We're still at Vomary Wash, Sunday, July 13th. Looking at the culvert, upstream flow that's going over the top of the culverts on the upstream side. Downstream side, it's just right about at the culverts. We're going to walk through this floodplain flow here to get a gauge height read after measuring the second culvert. We have 4 flow over road crossings to measure after this, so for a total of 6 measurements combined into a single measurement for the flow here. Before and after the first measurement, the stage was stable at 9.82. With the correction to the outside staff, that comes to a corrected 9.76 stage. We will see if it's still at the same stage. Walking through a dense mesquite stand that's lining the low flow channel banks. Here's the gauge shelter structure and platform dead ahead. And checking the stage, looks to be at 9.80 plus or minus 0.02. So it's gone down 2 hundredths tops. Possibly it's stable.